Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP CMS plugin on a Redmine that is installed on the Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go to our site and download the CMS latest light free version. Please take a note that there is no pro version of it. There is only light free version. So you have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and then select plugins and then scroll down to the CMS. Here just click on download and then enter your email address here. The plugin is going to be sent there. Alright, so when you got the zip file, we have to firstly extract it. Then you have to go into the inner folder and then copy these redmine/cms. Afterward, you have to go to your core Redmine folder, which in our situation is Redmine 5.0, and then find the plugins folder. Into the plugins folder, please paste it. Alright, so the next step is to open your command line and execute bundle install. This command has installed the required gems for this plugin. Alright, so the next step is to run the migration. It is very important to set into the name section the correct name of the plugin you are trying to install. In our case, it is Redmine/CMS. Please take a note that these are just warnings for developers, and actually there are no errors and no problems, just the warnings for the developers team. Alright, so we see that the migration is done, and the very last thing that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine, which with the command touch temporary/restored.txt. Alright, so we go now into our Redmine to double check and make sure that everything is fine. So we refresh our page and wait a couple of seconds because restoring Redmine is taking some time. So we see that the CMS plugin has just arrived here. We have successfully done our job. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.